Good morning, myself Bhavya and my friend Amara, and we will be presenting a speech on worth. Meaning of worth. Worth refers to the value of something, especially in terms of money. It helps us to understand how much something is valuable or important. Worth is like a special tag on things telling us how important they are in the world of money. It helps us to understand the importance or value of an object or service. Amara, can you give some more examples of?
Yes, sure. Let's me give some example on it. Cost of snacks. Your favorite snacks cost of 50 rupees that represent the worth of snacks in term of money. Pocket money. If you receive 5 rupees per week as pocket money in that amount represent your total worth of saving in term of money for that week. Candy shop purchase. If you buy your favorite candy for 5 rupees that candy worth of in term of money. Thank you.
Thank you.